Imagine holding a map. Not just any map, but one of your entire body. Every organ, every tissue, every single cell meticulously charted. This is the incredible goal of the Human Cell Atlas project. Scientists are working tirelessly to create a complete inventory of our body's building blocks, our cells. This groundbreaking initiative is providing us with an unprecedented view of ourselves, right down to the microscopic level. For centuries, we have studied the human body. We have named its parts, understood its functions, and learned to treat its ailments. But until now, we have only seen a fraction of the picture. The Human Cell Atlas is changing that. It is revealing the hidden world inside us, a universe of cells working together in intricate harmony. This project is driven by the understanding that every human body is unique. This uniqueness stems from the trillions of cells that make up our organs and tissues. By studying these cells, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of human health and disease. The Human Cell Atlas is not just a map. It's a revolutionary tool that could transform medicine as we know it. The Human Cell Atlas, or HCA, is a global collaboration of scientists, all working towards a common goal to create a comprehensive map of every cell type in the human body. Launched in 2016, this ambitious project has already made significant strides. Researchers are using cutting-edge technologies to analyze millions of cells, collecting data on their function, location, and interactions. Imagine a massive library filled with detailed profiles of every cell type in your body. This is essentially what the HCA aims to create. This cellular atlas will serve as a vital resource for scientists studying a wide range of diseases, from cancer to Alzheimer's. The HCA project relies heavily on advanced technologies, including single-cell genomics and artificial intelligence. These tools allow scientists to analyze individual cells with incredible precision, identifying subtle differences that may hold the key to understanding disease. By comparing healthy cells to those affected by disease, researchers can pinpoint the cellular changes that drive illness. The Human Cell Atlas has already yielded remarkable insights into the workings of our bodies. One area of particular interest is the digestive system. Researchers have created a detailed map of the cells lining our gut, revealing a complex ecosystem of interacting cell types. This map is helping scientists understand how our gut interacts with the food we eat and the trillions of bacteria that reside within it. Another breakthrough has come from studying lung tissue. Using the HCA, scientists have gained a deeper understanding of how our lungs respond to infections, including the virus responsible for COVID-19. These insights are crucial for developing new treatments and vaccines for respiratory diseases. Beyond the scientific data, the HCA project is also generating stunning visuals. Images of cells and tissues magnified thousands of times reveal the breathtaking complexity of our inner world. These images are not just beautiful, they are powerful reminders of the intricate machinery that keeps us alive. The potential applications of the Human Cell Atlas are vast. By providing a detailed roadmap of our cells, the HCA promises to revolutionize medicine. Imagine a future where doctors can diagnose diseases at their earliest stages simply by analyzing a patient's cells. This could lead to earlier interventions and more effective treatments. The HCA is also expected to accelerate drug discovery. By understanding how different cell types are involved in disease, scientists can develop more targeted therapies with fewer side effects. This personalized approach to medicine could transform the way we treat everything from cancer to autoimmune disorders. The Human Cell Atlas is a truly global endeavor, with scientists from around the world collaborating to map the human body at an unprecedented level of detail. This project highlights the power of international cooperation in tackling some of the biggest challenges facing humanity. The insights gained from the HCA have the potential to improve the health and well-being of people worldwide. The Human Cell Atlas is more than just a scientific project. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable curiosity about ourselves. By venturing deeper into the microscopic world within us, we are unlocking secrets that could transform the future of medicine and usher in a new era of personalized healthcare.